We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we are going to discuss an important topic for all competitive exam, that is Indian geography, and today we will be discussing physical geography of India, that is what is the length, what is the dimension of India, what are the neighboring countries, and what are the boundary lines called. So these are included in physical geography of India. Now let's proceed. We all know India is our country, we love it, and India has unity in diversity. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you can see all type of culture, languages, land diversity, weather diversity, and everything. So now let's see what is the physiography of India. India forms a part of South Asia and is separated by the Himalayas from the rest of the continent. In the north of the lofty Himalayas, part of which is permanently ice covered, to the south of the Himalayas is the Great Indo-Gangetic Plain, and this is well known for its fertile soil, that is alluvial soil. The western part of this vast plain is the Thar Desert, and south of this plain is peninsular India that comprises of uneven plateau which is surrounded by eastern coastal plain in the east and western coastal plain in the west. India is considered to be a subcontinent as it possesses all the characteristics of a continent. Now, India has 2.4% of the world's area and is the 7th largest country in the world. It covers an area of 3,287,263, that is 32,87,263 square kilometer. India lies in northern eastern hemisphere, which extends between 8 degree 4 second north, 37 degree 6 second north latitude, and 68 degree 7 second east and 97 degree 25 second east longitude, and the Tropic of Cancer, that is in 23.5 degree north latitude, passes through 8 states of India, and the states are Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. The 82.32 east longitude, which passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time meridian of India. Its north-south extend from Indira Kol in Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and the length is 3,214 km from the north point to the southwest point, while from the east to the west, the width is from Rann of Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh. It is 2,933 km. This is the dimension of India from north to south, from east to west. Now let's see the longitudinal difference between Saurashtra, that is in the west, and Arunachal Pradesh in the east is about 30 degree, and the total difference of local time is 2 hours. Whereas the difference between the longest and the shortest day in Kerala is hardly 45 minutes, whereas the difference between the same in Leh and Ladakh is 4 hours. Now, what is the difference between the longest and the shortest day? It increases with latitude. Indian subcontinent has a land frontier of 15,200 km and the total coastline of 7,516.6 km. So the coastline is in the peninsular region, it is 7,516.6 km. Now what are the countries we say our boundary with? So this is from the largest area we share boundary, not area but the largest length we share boundary. So first we have Bangladesh, and with it we share 4,096 km of our boundary, and the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Next comes China, With China, we share 3,917 km and the capital of China is Beijing. With Pakistan, we share 3,310 kilometers of our boundary and the capital of Pakistan, Islamabad. With Nepal, we share 1,752 km of our boundary and the capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. With Myanmar, whose capital was Yangon, but now the city is Naypyidaw. Maybe my pronunciation, but yeah, it's Naypyidaw. And the length of the boundary we share is 1,458 km. With Bhutan, we share 587 km and the capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. With Afghanistan, we share 80 km and the capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. The part we share with Afghanistan is the Kashmir part. Now that is POK, but yes, this is a part of India. So we share 80 km and that is the capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. Now there are two more neighbors of India and they are situated across the sea, that is Sri Lanka, and it is separated by India by Palk Strait, and the other is the Gulf of Mannar and Maldives Island are situated to the south of Lakshadweep. Now what are the important boundaries and what are they called? Like the boundary between India and Pakistan is called Red Cliff Line, the boundary between India and China is called McMahon Line, and the boundary between India and Afghanistan is called Durand Line. As the portion which is the boundary of Afghanistan and India is under the POK, that's why sometime it is even the boundary between Pakistan and Afghanistan is Durand Line, but POK I consider it still to be a part of India. It is Durand Line, India and Afghanistan. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Here is the map of India. Here is Pakistan, Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan. They all are the neighboring countries. Myanmar. This is Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is our islands. This is the Great Himalayas, Western Himalayas. This is the Gangetic Plains, Central Highlands. This is the Thar Desert. This is the Deccan Plateau, Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat. This is the coastal part of India and the peninsular region. Now, what are the important channels in India? They are Nicobar, Sumatra, that is 6-degree channel, Little Andaman and Car Nicobar, that is 10-degree channel, Minico, rest of Lakshadweep Island, 9-degree channel, Maldives, Minoko, 8-degree channel, India, Sri Lanka, that is Gulf of Mannar and Palk Strait. Now the important parallel and meridians are Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree 30 north. The northernmost parallel, that is Indira Col, it is 37 degrees 6 north. The southernmost parallel, that is mainland, that is Kanyakumari, Cap of Cameroon, it is 8 degree 4 north. The southernmost parallel, that is Indian Union, Indira Point, it is 6 degree 45 north. The western point, that is western meridian, west of Gormoto in Gujarat, it is 68 degree 7 east. Whereas the easternmost meridian, that is Kibitu in Arunachal Pradesh, it is 97 degree 25 east. Whereas the standard meridian of India, which crosses Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, it's 82 degree 30 east. Now let's see states having major coastline. They are Andaman and Nicobar Island, it has coastline up to 1962 km. Gujarat, which has coastline of 1600 kilometers. Andhra Pradesh with coastline of 974 km. Tamil Nadu with coastline of 907 kilometers and Maharashtra with coastline of 720 kilometers. With this, the area, that is largest state area wise of India is Rajasthan, whose area is 3,42,239, that is 342239. Then second is Madhya Pradesh with 308245 square kilometer. Then comes Maharashtra, that is the third largest. It comes with 307713 square kilometer. Then comes Andhra Pradesh with 160229 square kilometer, and Uttar Pradesh with 140928 square kilometer. So the largest area wise state in India is Rajasthan. So with this, the physiography of India is done, and other topic will be discussed in next video. Please tell me in the comment box what shall be the topic for the next video. Till then, hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also provide all the previous year paper of SSC exams like SSC CGL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.